What up, YouTube? I am back with another vacuum video. This time it's for my two Hoover Elites, both of my white ones. I would like to talk a little bit about the two. I picked up this white one in 2020, last year. I think I paid $15 for that one from one of my good friends. And I got this one in 2017 for 20 bucks at the DAV. Both of these machines have treated me so well. And this one here is definitely one of my most quiet Hoovers because it's only a 7 amp. I think that one, let's see. Yeah. I don't exactly know how many amps that one have. I will be proud to let you know. Let's see, hold on. I have to lay it down and put it upside down and some more shit. Okay, let's see. That one is a 5.5 amp. My phone needs to clear up. If you can't, anyway, it's a 5.5 amp. If you couldn't see that, I apologize. But anyway, I wanted to put these two side by side so I can show you what they do and how good they sound and how good they perform. So, as you can see, this was a basic standard vacuum. That one did not come with any hose or attachments. It wasn't built like that. However, this one was. I think that one is complete too. Yep. There's one extension wand. There's a hose. I think there's a crevice tool. Yep. So we'll go ahead and run this one. This video is for all the Hoovers. For all the Hoover fans. Perfect. The only thing that was wrong with this when I first got it, whoever had this thing last scratched off the Hoover. It used to say Hoover right there. I think I seen a bag like this on eBay, so I might be able to go track one down. Other than that thing's in really good condition. And you got to be calm with your vacuums, man. I be seeing certain people with doing they vacuum videos and they just be yanking it and I'm like, damn, take it easy. So you got to use them real smooth. You take care of them, they'll take care of you. Let's run this one. Now that's what I call original Hoover Elites. Please go ahead, watch, like, and subscribe. It's your boy, yours truly, Kevin Love. I'm out. Peace.